everybody. My name is Barry Schwartz, and this is a Search Buzz Video Recap. Today is Friday, July 15th, and this is the search news we covered over at the Search Engine Roundtable at SEOroundtable.com. Trying different things to get the mic work. It stopped working about 2 minutes in last time, and you heard the difference. I turned off certain features on the iPhone. Hopefully it will not break again. We'll see. And hopefully you guys can hear me okay. In any event, first up, I covered this morning that it looks like a lot of local SEOs are reporting that the local search results are getting more hyper-local, meaning there's less results when you do a search for a specific kind of business, and that it's becoming more local. People are saying maybe that's happening because Google's going to start showing search ads in the local pack, but it's unclear. But in any event, it seems like there's some rumors around Google Local's algorithm changing a little bit, and I guess we'll see more of that over the next course of the week or so if it is true or not. Also, earlier this week there were reports from the tracking tools, the search results tracking tools like Mozcast, Searchmetrics, etc., that there were some updates. If you go ahead and look at Mozcast, you'll see it reported some significant weather, specifically around the past few days. So here's a graph showing that if it loads. Sorry, I really should get a new iPad because this thing is really slow. But when it loads, you'll basically see that basically it was reporting heavy weather. You can see here 83, 84, 72 degrees earlier this week. But again, I didn't really notice any chatter, significant updates from the community itself. Nobody's complaining, hey, my rankings are drastically dropping or drastically increasing. Usually when you see these massive updates, you'll see a huge array of people doing that. Of course, you see on a day-to-day basis people complaining, but I haven't seen major spikes. So I don't think there was an update to talk about, just giving you an update on no update. I ran a poll earlier this week, or actually yesterday, saying, do you think Penguin will run again? It's been a year and 9 months, over 90 weeks, 21 months, and Penguin has still not run. We've made several promises, Penguin 4.0, the real-time Penguin will run. And I ran a poll, and you can see the poll results. Basically what it shows is that most people think yes, it will run. There are a nice number of you that think it won't run again, so that's pretty interesting, and hopefully we'll see it running again. Speaking of which, there were rumors that Google won't run Penguin again, and I don't know who made those rumors. Google kept saying we are going to run Penguin again, but Mary Haynes actually went ahead and asked Google, hey, I'm sure you would never say an official statement, but could you put a statement saying, will Penguin run again? Lots of rumors saying it won't, and John Mueller from Google, who's currently on vacation, basically said, it won't run it. Basically said, I'm sure we never said that it won't run again. And he said rumors could be weird. He didn't say it will run again, but he said, and we never said it won't run again. Although it will run again. Google's working on it. It's the real-time version. Google will hopefully run Penguin again. Also this week we covered that Google said that it's possible that those annoying pop-ups you see on websites, we haven't had really pop-ups on our website, but you never know. Sometimes those pop-ups could be considered as the primary content that Google indexes if done wrong. So be careful with those annoying pop-ups. Google might index them as primary content. Google also said that short articles are not bad articles. We covered this about twice before, and Google will not penalize your site because you have short articles. Just think about your users. If your users like short articles, then serve them short articles. If the content that you're writing warrants a shorter article versus a longer article, great. If it warrants a longer article, great too. John Mueller said he's seen lots of long articles that are just regurgitating and repeating and kind of not really providing unique value as you keep going through it. So there's pros and cons to making short and long articles. Definitely take a look at that. Again, search engines don't really care the length. It's more about, do users like it? Google said again, there's no penalty for not linking externally. So if you don't link outside to other people, if I don't link to other people, which I constantly do, I'm not going to be penalized for it. He thinks personally that you should link out. It's a very good thing to do. That's how the web works. But if you don't do it, you're not going to go ahead and get penalized for not doing it. Google also said that if you are going to disavow links, make sure you disavow the disavow files found on the canonical version. You can put them on all the versions, but make sure it's at least found on the canonical version that Google has indexed, or the site that has a penalty. This way Google knows about it, especially the manual action. Google Maps and local results is testing a new feature. I saw with IKEA, or somebody posted with IKEA, basically a way to search the local inventory of that store right from the map results. So either in the local knowledge graph results or in the map results. So you can see over here, you click on that link, it's a search inventory in the store, or search inventory in the store, and also over here on the right hand side you'll see it. And when you do that, you'll be able to go to their catalog, drill through it, and actually see the actual local inventory. This is pretty cool, it doesn't surprise me that Google's doing this. Google's also testing a new format for site links. Site links are the links that you find under the search results. And John Winkelin spotted this, and basically it's for both the organic and the AdWords. So you can see here, these are the site links, and you can actually carousel through them. They're kind of card-based site links. And the AdWords, you can see as well over there, which is pretty cool. Google AdWords is testing a new feature, specifically around hotel search, as well as shopping ads. Specifically with hotel search, you can do different smart filters. It's they've really improved the hotel search features, including subscribing to flight alerts for different price changes, which I think is really cool. And there's also added some shopping ads, a new carousel feature. You can actually show U.S. currency for U.K. results or vice versa, and it's pretty interesting what's going on there as well. So take a look at that. That was the big AdWords announcement this week. And Google also announced on the AdWords side that they're testing, well, they didn't announce it, spot in the wild, they're testing percentages instead of stars for the reviews. So if you take a look at this, you'll see it says 94%, whereas typically it just shows like a certain star rating, which is very interesting. Okay, Google has not confirmed that. And finally, on the map side, Google said, Google didn't say, Google is showing a Google user review. So anonymous reviews, again, are coming up. It hasn't come up in a long time. We haven't seen them since 2020, 2012. And now Google's actually showing a Google user review as an anonymous review for the map results, for map review results. So that's something we haven't seen in a while, and now we're seeing it again. In any event, that pretty much recaps the Search Buzz video recap. Again, hopefully this worked. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Again, my name is Barry Schwartz. This is the search news we covered over the past week at the Searchers Roundtable. Today, again, is Friday, July 15th. Everyone have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next. Bye.